Hi everyone. First of all, I'm extremely sorry for the delay, especially after that live session. There was some work going on inside my house, so I could not post any videos. Now, let's talk about today's video. As children are at home these days, they have plenty of time. So this is the right time to inculcate reading habits in them. I'm going to recommend you 5 books in this video that your child would love reading. Also, as my daughter has already read these books, she is going to give you a review about these books in this video. So stick around till the end. My name is Trilekha and you're watching Lot to Learn. After so many fairy tales, Nana Nani ki kahaniyan, I thought of introducing fiction novels to her. Fiction novels give them opportunity to foster their imagination. It improves their concentration. Of course, it is going to improve their vocabulary too. And above all, it will keep them away from TV at least for some time. So if your child is reluctant to read any such books or novels, start with something he or she likes. Read few pages to them initially, and maybe after 4-5 pages you can say that I have some work or I have to go to washroom, can you read 2-3 pages? So that's how you can develop his or her interest in this. Initially I had to kind of become strict with my daughter initially for 4-5 days, and later on she developed herself a kind of interest and she started enjoying these novels. So the books I'm going to talk about in today's videos are for 8 and above. Okay, now before I introduce novel to my daughter, I started with this book, Adventures of Robin Hood and Marian by Adrian. So this is not a novel, but this is a story with so many chapters. I wanted to see her reaction and her interest about these long stories. I'm gonna give you a link for all the books down below in the description box. So if you want, you can go ahead and purchase those books. Now, novels she read on this. This is a Kindle device and it was gifted to me by my husband and I did not like it. First of all, I was so reluctant to read books in this because I was in habit of that physical touch for papers. So I was really reluctant. But then later on, I realized it has many benefits. It can store so many books and I can carry it anywhere. Most importantly, when my daughter started reading books on this, I realized that she could find out the meanings from her own. So if I'm busy, she would not call me for everything. You just have to touch on the word and it will reflect you the word meaning for that word. I wanted to check her reactions on such kind of books and I must say she enjoyed a lot. So then I thought of introducing Matilda to her. But I suggest you start with The Witches. So let's see what my daughter has to say about these 2 books.
Hi everyone, my name is Netra and I'm going to review you about some books I've read recently. The first book is Matilda by Roald Dahl. At first I found it very boring, but after that I enjoyed it. Matilda is the story of a unique girl. Unfortunately, her parents didn't like her much. She was sent to a school which had very cruel principal, but she also got a very friendly teacher. In school, Matilda realizes that she has magical powers and that's how the story becomes exciting. There is a movie too on the story, but you must read the book first. The second book is also by Roald Dahl, The Witches. I highly recommend this book and I liked it more than Matilda. It tells the story of a brave boy and his grandmother's fight against the witches. I finished this book in 3 days as I was very curious to know what is going to happen next. It is full of magic and adventure.
One of the most important thing that you have to keep in your mind to encourage these reading habits in your children is when they start reading any such kind of things, they would want to tell you what is happening after reading every 8 to 10 pages. So you need to be very careful while responding to them. Try to show that you are interested, you're liking it. Next recommendation would be Secret 7 by Enid Blyton. Now this is the book for those kids who love to play detective and who likes adventure. This book and the story is all about 7 children who forms a club and they try to solve some mystery. You can get this book at a very low price. It has 15 set of books, but it's not that if your child has read one book, then he or she has to go for the another one. It's not at all like that. One book has its end in itself. So that's how it is. Now, not every child would like to read such novels. So what would you do for them? This is the solution for them. Children are always curious about space, animals, birds. So this is the book recently I've ordered from Amazon, and she is really liking it. It has around 500 facts on animals. Now this was also available in Kindle format, but I don't prefer such books in Kindle format. The reason is because of these pictures. These are the things that attracts kids. So I would suggest that do not go for Kindle format. Try to bring hard copy like this. Alright, so that's it for today. If you like my recommendation, do let me know in comment box. Thank you so much for watching me. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel.